Starting in the great name of Allah, the Almighty, the Merciful. Unit 2.1, I Have a Dream, Martin Luther King Jr. is in progress. In last lecture, I talked about paragraph number 2 and 3. Today, we will discuss paragraph 4 and 5. Let's read. It's obvious today that America has defaulted on this promissory note insofar as her citizens of color are concerned. Obvious means clear. Defaulted means failed. Promissory means full of promise. Insofar means to the extent. Here it means that the Negroes are neglected, they are not given their rights. Instead of honoring this sacred obligation, sacred mean holy, obligation mean responsibility, duties. America has given the Negro people a bad check. Dear students, Dr. King intensively uses repetitions, metaphors, and illusion. Look at this word check, a bad check. This is a metaphor. A check of freedom. A check which has come back marked insufficient funds. But we refuse to believe that the Bank of Justice is bankrupt. Bankrupt mean ruined. We refuse to believe that there are insufficient funds in the great vaults of opportunity of this nation. Vaults means treasures are a large room or chamber used for storage, especially an underground one. So we have come to cash this check, a check that will give us upon demand the riches of freedom and the security of justice. Riches means wealth, treasure. We have also come to this hallowed spot. Hallowed spot means holy place. Here it means Lincoln Memorial. Dear students, a question arises. Why did Dr. King choose the Lincoln Memorial? To honor Abraham Lincoln, who freed the slaves. King Jr. thought the same as Abraham Lincoln about treating people who were different. To remind America and the fierce urgency of now, fierce urgency of now is a phrase which means a divided nation. Whites are oppressors, Negroes are oppressed. This is no time to engage in the luxury of cooling off or to take the tranquilizing drug of gradualism. This is no time to engage in the luxury of cooling off. Cooling off means become quiet or calm, especially after a state of vegetation. For example, a cool off is essential when there is extreme tension in the relationship. Or after the fight, both men need to cool off. Here, Martin Luther King Jr. warns America that the African American are not ready to cool off. Tranquilizing drug of gradualism means not to give up, but to keep fighting for what you believe in. Now is the time to make real the promises of democracy. Look at democracy. What does democracy mean? Cracy means government system. Demo means people. Democracy means government of the people. Theo means religious people. Cracy means government. Theocracy means government of religious people. Kleptocracy means government of thieves. Autocracy means government of dictators. Bureaucracy means government of top officials. Now is the time to rise from the dark and desolate valley of segregation. Desolate means utterly wretched. WRETCHED. Unhappy. Segregation means to sit apart from the main group on the basis of race. The sunlit path of racial injustice is a metaphor. It means justice would one day be shown to all those affected by racial difference. Now is the time to open the doors of opportunity to all of God's children. Dear kids, dear students, Martin Luther, I have already mentioned. Martin Luther mentions four documents. One, Emancipation Declaration. One, Emancipation Proclamation. Two, the Bible. Three, the Song of America. Four, the Declaration of Independence. This is taken from Bible. Now is the time to lift our nation from the quicksand. Quicksand means marshy land that submerges racial injustice to the solid rock of brotherhood. Martin Luther is optimistic, saying that one day they will have equality, fraternity, and freedom for all. Look at the next paragraph. It would be fatal. Fatal means destructive. For the nation to overlook. Overlook means ignore the urgency of the moment, the seriousness of the situation, and to underestimate. Underestimate mean underrate the determination of the Negro. Here he warns America that the Negroes are determined. The sweltering summer, sweltering means oppressively hot. Of the Negroes, legitimate means lawful discontentment, dissatisfaction, will not pass until there is an invigorating autumn. Invigorating means refreshing, energizing. Freedom, freedom and equality. 1963 is not an end. Dear students, I have already told you that Martin Luther King Jr. led about 2,50,000 people to Lincoln Memorial in 1963. But a beginning to those who hope that the Negro needed to blow off steam. Blow off steam means get rid of pent up energy, PENT, up UP, or strong emotion. You can use this phrase like this: let or blow off steam, and will now be content means satisfied. Will have a rude awakening. Rude awakening means surprising and unpleasant discovery. If the nation returns to business as usual, there will be neither rest nor tranquility. Tranquility means peace in America until the Negro is granted his citizenship rights. The whirlwinds of revolt again is metaphor. What does this phrase, the whirlwinds of revolt, mean? King compares what the civil rights movement will produce if their demands are not met. There would be chaos. CHAOS will continue to shake the foundation of our nation until the bright day of justice emerges. Dear students, to sum up, this paragraph mentions that America is not ready to give rights to Negroes. The right of freedom, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. This paragraph says that the morale of the Negro people is high, they are determined, and they are not ready to retreat. This is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.